Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan and fix games in Steam on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Library tab there. Click on it to access your full game collection. This is where all your installed and purchased games are organized, making it easy to manage and troubleshoot any issues. Now, in the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Right-click on the game you're experiencing issues with. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can access various settings and tools specific to that game. In the Properties window, look at the left panel again. You'll notice several tabs listed there. Click on Installed Files. This section contains all the options related to the game's local data and files on your computer. Next, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This powerful tool scans all of your game's files and compares them against Steam's database to check if anything is corrupted or missing. Steam will automatically re-download and replace any problematic files it finds. You'll need to wait a moment while Steam completes the verification process. Depending on the size of the game, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Now, if multiple games are having issues, you can also repair the entire Steam library instead of checking games one by one. This is much more efficient if you're experiencing widespread problems. To do this, head back to the upper left corner and click Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the left panel and click on Storage. This section shows you all the drives where your Steam games are installed and gives you options to manage them. Click the drop-down menu and select the local drive you want to scan and fix. This lets you target the specific storage location where your problematic games are installed. After selecting your drive, click the three dotted lines. A menu will pop up with additional options. From this menu, select Repair Library. This initiates a comprehensive scan of your entire Steam library on that drive, checking every game for file integrity issues and fixing them automatically. If Steam itself is having problems, there's another solution you can try. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads. This tab controls how Steam downloads and manages game updates. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Click it. This clears Steam's temporary download files, which can sometimes become corrupted and cause connection or download issues. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Keep in mind that clearing the cache will log you out of Steam, so you'll need to sign back in afterward. And there you have it. You've successfully scanned and fixed your Steam games, ensuring they run smoothly without corrupted files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.